Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vivek, and guys, I am going to show you how you can analyze any data set uh, of data science in just 5 minutes. So guys, if you are learning data science, then you know that it is very difficult to analyze any kind of data set because it contains high number of data fields. The data is very huge, and to get the analysis from the data set is a tricky task. So I have discovered one fine library for you that will do that trick for you in just some second only. So let's get started. So here you can see that I have opened my Visual Code. If you don't know how to download it, let me show you. You just need to go to code.com, code download. So as you can see that you just need to click the first link, and then this id is for you. So this id is just fantastic guide. You can learn a lot of things from it. Actually this is a free id, and I think this is the best idea for working in Python or using or doing HTML work or any work you like. Is consist of extension, so you can download any extension and start working on it. So let me introduce you to the library from GitHub directly. So I have opened that link of that library here, so you can check it out. The name of the library is Pandas profiling. So you can read the documentation and readme file that is provided by the developer here, and also support them if you want. They have included some sample data set if you want to work on it. So first you need to install that library. So let me show you how you can do it. So you just need to go here and type the following command: pip install pandas underscore profiler. So this command is useful. You can see here the command. You can just copy and paste if you want. It will automatically get installed. I have already installed in my system, so I'm not going to show you. So if you want any help, you can comment down, and I will tell you how you can install the library. I will help you out. So you can see the code, that demo code that the developer has given you. You can check out. So let me show you how you can actually work on it. So here you need to write from pandas profiling import profiler. Then you need to create profiler, and here you need to create profiler report. Okay, so but here, so you can see that you have created object of profiler report here, but you can check the argument here that it is saying df, mean data frame. So you need to give which kind of file you need to analyze. So it's maybe excel, it may be csv, it may be any kind of file. So let's first import the file. Also, to import the file, it is very easy. You need to create here df stand for data frame. So let's treat this file using pandas. Here I have consist of this demo file, company sales data. So I will use this file. And you just need to pass df here and just nothing, and you are ready to go. But profile, so you can, but to view the file you can check various kind of where the output should, how the output should look like to you. You can set to html, to json, to notepad, iframe, to widget. So I will show you how you can do it in using HTML file, because it is very easy to analyze and check. So here you can see the argument, that is output file. Check it as, I give the name of the file as demo2.html. After doing this, you just need to click on run. These are the warning. You can ignore it. It won't affect on your code. So as you can see here, the process has been started. You just need to give some 5 or 10 minutes to work, because the data is very large and it will take some time. As you can see here, our file has been generated. So let me show you in my Explorer. So you need to click here, just right click on this file and just need to click on revealing file explorer. So as you can see that this file has been generated, you just need to enter and as you can see that our data set has been generated successfully. So you can check that month, number, distinct, count, unique, percent, missing values, and all the data science related things. So if you are data scientist or learning data science, so you all know you must require for the using the data set. You can see high correlation, total units, total profit. Also you can see variety of graphs here, pace watch, pace, these are the fields. So let me also show you the CSV file. You can directly check the CSV file here also. So you can see that the data set and data values introduced in here. You can perform variety of data of set operation, analyze it, apply ADL process on it, and get some data visualization which may help you for your producing report and other thing. You can also produce report and do lot of things. You just need to explore the library and it will be very helpful for you. You just need to do the documentation for that. You can also see in that Pearson, Spearman, Kendall, Peak here. If you need the description, you can also read it. Here is the missing value matrix, the missing values in your Excel file, the sample first row, then the last rows. You will get everything here, whatever you need. So reproduction, warning, everything you will get to know a lot about this thing. You can click on interaction and lots of things you can learn and analyze. So that's all in this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to my channel or you are watching this video first time, please click on subscribe button. Please like this video, share with your friends who is learning data science, and please comment down your thought that how can I improve my content or more content you would like to see from my channel in the upcoming year. So happy new year, guys, in advance. Thank you so much, guys. And please do not forget to press the bell icon because it is necessary to get the further video updates. And you can follow me on my Instagram handle. I have given the link in description. So I have posted regular updates on technical new update, technical details. Also a lot of news and off campus update and a lot of opportunities for you. It may be helpful for you in your career. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.